If you want to change home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings. Next we're gonna scroll down in the settings to wallpaper and style, and then we can, for example, choose change wallpapers in order to find different wallpapers. So let's say I'm gonna choose something simple, like let's say this one over here. And since we want to set it only for the home screen, I can uncheck lock screen over here, so only home screen is affected, and then press next. There we go. In some cases we also have additional options here at the bottom depending on the wallpaper itself. In this case I can change a color, so let's say I'm gonna choose this blue one, and then we can also change the style here. And once we are done, we can press done. And besides that, we can also sometimes zoom in and zoom out. In this case, unfortunately, I cannot do this. And in some cases, we can reposition the wallpaper as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!